We all know what this is, the Stinky Slinky. Yes, the waste tube for your RV. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a storage for the Stinky Slinky. So, Stinky Slinky storage. Say that 20 times. All we need is 4 parts. First part, ABS tube, 4 inches in diameter. Then a cap for the end. And the other piece that we need is the union. And that's going to stay as is. But there's one piece we need to modify. That piece is a clean-out port. Now, the clean-out port allows you to put a screw-on cap on the end. But you'll notice inside, I've started modifying it. Donc, vous allez voir à l'intérieur, j'ai commencé à modifier. Et ça, c'est un bout vissé pour sceller une pipe. Pour voir à l'intérieur de la pipe, normalement. And to modify it, I'm just using my drill press and a grinding bit. Let me show you how I'm doing it. In the drill press, we have this bit here, and you could use a router bit, but these are a little smoother, makes for a nicer cut on the inside. And then all I'm doing is I've adjusted the depth to where we need it to be, and we turn the drill press on, just go around in circles slowly, not trying to gouge in a lot at one time, but just a little bit. Our goal is to remove 1/8 of an inch total, or 3 millimeters, and we're just going to take it slowly and easily. So here we go. And there's the almost finished product. Now I need to go deeper than this, so I'm actually going to turn this around and go from the other side because now the chuck is getting in the way. You can see we've removed a bit of material. And now we just have a line in the center. So I'm going to clean out this line in the center, and then we'll be ready to assemble everything. To clean that line out, I'm just going to move the drill press table up. Now if you wanted to make these sort of as a production thing, so if you've got lots of friends with RVs, it'd be actually quite easy to set up a jig with a router table and do it on a router table. Or you could actually do it on the drill press just by having 2 points to rest up against and to roll into. But this is a one-off thing, so I'm not going to spend the time making a jig. Now that we have the interior all smoothed out, let's go see if it fits. Here we have the aforementioned Stinky Slinky. So it goes in, we can turn it. So that's what we want to do. But we don't want this pipe to go in all the way. And that's where the collar comes in on this. This will keep it from going in all the way, and also the 4-inch pipe below it will keep it from going too far as well. We don't want to be putting our hand too deep in there to go get the Slinky. So by having the pipe there, we're able to do it. Now we're going to use ABS cement to glue this all together, and then we got one other little modification to make this a little better and easier to use. So this is the pipe, how it's going to sit, and you'll notice the drain here on the bottom. So we tapped 1/4 NPT on this end and 1/4 NPT on this end. When we get them in the bus, we'll be able to figure out where exactly we want the drains to go, so we're not connecting them together yet. And on the top, we've got holes for ventilation. Now, one thing, when we put this in here, you'll notice where the 1/4 NPT fitting is, it's right in the lower part in the groove between the two. So any water that goes there is not going to accumulate on the bottom. That's the lowest point of the whole tube.